Recently, as often happened to me, I felt like developing a personal project that somehow involved both the physical and digital world, as always in video game shows. The first thing I thought of was a game that could be played easily by my kids, and for some reason I immediately thought about a firefighter who was trying to put out a fire and needed to be helped with the water pressure using a pump. So all I need to do was to design a game controller fit for the purpose. The basic idea was very simple: a large plastic box as a base, a tube plugged into the box, a smaller tube to use as a piston that comes with an handlebar, a distance sensor placed at the base of the larger tube, in this case an ultrasound sensor that can measure the distance from the piston with a good precision, and the game is done. Well, more or less. First, I went to the hardware store and bought some PVC pipe. Then I assembled them to run a first test.
Vai. Piano. Di nuovo. Di nuovo, vai. Perfetto. Piano. Piano. Basta, fermati.
Okay, first test passed. After several nights of trying and hard work, I finally came up with a sufficient solid and functional version of the pump. All that remains is to develop the software counterpart. To be faster in creating the prototype, I decided to use Unity 3D. I wrote a simple script to interface with the Arduino mounted on the pump and used the data flow as piston position. Then I moved on to creating the real game scene using some free assets taken from the store. I customized some elements, and after a few more nights of hard work, the project had finally become a reality. So I just had to let my kids try it out.
Ready? Let's pump!
Vado! Bravissimo, sei al massimo!
Dai papà, dai papà! Mamma, più forte!
Amore, guarda, bravo, no! Guarda che in alto l'acqua, bravo!
It was an amazing journey, full of challenges and problems of all kinds to solve. And after all this sleepless night working on this project, I can only hope that I can in some way inspire my kids or anyone else who is thinking of jumping into a similar project. Thanks for watching.
Dai che ce la fai!